Today, we will discuss DeepSeek AI and NVIDIA. Both firms are strongly committed to advancing the limits of artificial intelligence. NVIDIA accomplishes this by offering computational power while DeepSeek AI achieves it by creating sophisticated AI models. Both firms engage in high performance computing, NVIDIA by manufacturing the robust GPUs, and DeepSeek by developing highly efficient AI models that necessitate high-performance computing for operation. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. DeepSeek AI is a groundbreaking firm dedicated to creating sophisticated large language models or LLMs with a strong emphasis on efficiency and performance. Recognized for their emphasis on developing potent yet efficient AI, DeepSeek AI values technological advancement and strives to lessen the computational requirements of sophisticated AI. Alongside developing LLMs, they are constructing essential infrastructure and have launched a free chatbot showcasing their dedication to enhancing the AI environment. NVIDIA is a leading player in the manufacturing of graphics processing units or GPUs crucial for AI tasks, especially deep learning. Their GPUs are popular for their parallel processing abilities, which makes them perfect for training and executing complex AI models. They offer an extensive platform comprising both hardware and software such as CUDA that drives AI advancement. NVIDIA fundamentally supplies the framework that facilitates AI development. All in all, NVIDIA provides the foundational hardware, while DeepSeek AI builds upon that foundation by developing cutting edge AI software.